Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So this video is going to be a nighttime hyperpigmentation routine, basically a nighttime routine, and this is especially for people 25 and above. I'm just going to educate you guys, show you guys how to build your routine basically. So first things first, I'm going to pack my hair, and the next step, which is very important, is to go in with your hand wash. Remember, I just touched my hair and I must have touched other things, and you don't want to put germs and dirt on the face. So that's why I'm just going in to wash my hands, and that's what you want to do. So I can see my hands are really filthy, very dirty. So now that my hands are clean, what I'll do first is to go in with my cleanser, and I'm not going to double cleanse today, because double cleansing is when you use like an oil cleanser first, then use a like foaming cleanser, or like basically you wash your face, you cleanse your face 2 times, because I only have my skincare and then my sunscreen on the face. So I'm just going to go in with my cleanser. And mind you, this is currently winter/spring. I'm saying winter/spring because the weather is quite up and down and everything. It's still quite cold, but it's supposed to be spring. So, and at the moment I'm using like gel cleansers, oil cleansers, and not foaming cleanser. I have oily to combination skin, and like summertime I use foaming cleansers, but now because I don't want to strip my face, I don't want my face to be extra dry, that's what I usually use during the winter time. And so there are lots of options out there, but what I'm going to be using today is from Liz Earl, and it's their Cleanse and Glow Transforming Gel Cleanser. So basically it's a gel to oil to milk cleanser, and I'm going to put other options for you guys in the description box below. So I mean, if you are wondering what gel cleansers or what oil cleansers I would suggest, especially if you find out like if your skin is a bit like dry, or you're just struggling, you find out that regular cleansers are too stripping, like I'll give you options in the description box below, and I'll also tell you why I'm specifically using this sort of cleanser at this time. I'll let you guys know as we proceed. So what I'm going to do now is to just go in with this, and this is quite jelly, as you can see, and then it will help to melt off the dirt and everything on my face. And you want to take your time, take about 60 seconds to massage this on your face, and of course not forgetting the neck area. I'm just going to emulsify it, basically touch some water, and you can see that it would just turn milky instantly. So that's what normally happens to these cleansers. These sort of cleansers are amazing if you have really dry skin. At this point I'm just going to rinse my face. At this point I'm not rinsing my face, and I've blotted my face off. And let me give you guys a tip. So if you have a cleanser and after washing your face you dry your face and you find out that your face looks ashy, very dry, that cleanser is very stripping, you might want to reconsider the cleanser. Probably use the change your cleanser to something more hydrating, less harsh. Do you understand? So that's one tip you take away. So now that I'm done this, the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my toner, and this is what I do, but you can skip this step. It's not compulsory, to be honest, to use your toner, but I really love to use my toner, and what I'm going in with as well is from Liz Earl, but this is their Instant Boost Skin Tonic, and this is the toner I find out that I use all the time because it's super hydrating, because I'm all about hydration and everything. And what I'm doing is I'm just ensuring that the cleanser I use are thoroughly taking everything off, and that's why I go for hydrating toner as well. So not just that it takes off the leftover makeup or leftover cleanser, it also hydrates the face and prepares it for other things that would come onto the face. So at this point I'm done toning my face, so I'm just going in with my Vaseline because I like my lips being very supple and all that. So I'm going to wait a while for this toner to thoroughly dry up, just because the next product I'm going to use on my face is tretinoin. So that is why I need my face to really dry up. If you use your toner, it's going to really go into the skin and it may irritate your skin. Basically it may just cause the skin to be very flaky because it can be very dry. So at this point I'm going to explain to you, because this video is basically on hyperpigmentation. So this is the point where I use the treatment, and you can either use your retinol or tretinoin, and that is why I said this is for people like 25 and above, because from 25 upwards things start to slow down. Collagen collagen production starts to slow down. Collagen is responsible for the skin's elasticity. Collagen is responsible for, you know, making the skin look plump and juicy and all that. So from 25 years, things start to slow down. So you want to, you know, boost the skin, help the skin to, you know, carry on looking supple. My tretinoin is prescription. Generally, tretinoin is not an over-the-counter product. I feel like, you know, my face has dried up. Tretinoin and retinol, they're all like under the same umbrella, but tretinoin is more potent. That is why it is, you know, prescription based. But retinol, you can absolutely start with your retinol, and these things can be quite aggressive for some people. So if you're very new to it, what you want to do is you want to start off maybe once or twice a week when you're using these products to see how your face reacts. Like if you find out that it's too dry, then you space it out until your skin gets used to it. And for some people, it causes them to purge. But this will be a totally different video. If you want to see, if you want me to talk about that, let me know about purging and all that. Trust me, I experienced it, but you know, at the end of the day, it paid off, because my skin, it was just something else, you know. But yeah, basically this is what has really helped. And with this retinols, retinoids and all that treatment, what they do is to speed up skin cell generation. Because remember I said that when you get to 25, things start to slow down. So it gives it that, you know, boost. Sort of is like a catalyst where it speeds up skin cell regeneration, thereby pushing up the, you know, supple, plump new skin. Because I mean, when we start aging, what happens is that the skin does not regenerate so fast. So the skin holds on to the old skin. That's why most times the skin will be dull and everything. And now I'll go in with my tretinoin, and this is from Dermatica. This is basically, they're online based, and they're like a bunch of dermatologists that are online based. And yes, so you go, they prescribe what they feel is suitable, and I was prescribed tretinoin, and in mine I have niacinamide, azelaic acid. I'll just take a pump like so, and with what you have in here is just super, because the niacinamide is anti-inflammatory, the azelaic acid is brightening. So all these are good for, you know, acne prone skin, and I can truly tell that it has helped my skin. And I like to, you know, dab it, you know, one dot, and one pump is absolutely okay. Then I just take my time, you know, and massage it like so onto my face. This product has really, you know, is a game changer. It's absolutely helped my skin, because at some point my face was, you know, had lots of, but it was highly textured. They had lots of bumps and all that, but this was able to help me in conjunction with other products. So it's not like this on its own did the magic. So if you go overboard, it will be very dry and very flaky. Like in the daytime when you're talking, everywhere will be flaky. You look like you're shedding, like you look like a snake, you'll be shedding. Now I know, I've gotten the hang of it. So after applying it, I just, with a little while, then I go in with my, sorry, I keep bending, my products are down here. Then I go in with this. This is from Galini. I hope I pronounced it correctly. It's a French product, and it's an eye cream. So this is just basically an eye cream, and I like to use it especially because sometimes these products can be drying. So you want to keep the eye area very moisturized and supple. Pat it in and not drag, because the skin there is very light and very thin. Then I go in with my moisturizer, and my moisturizer is also from Liz Earl. Yes, I just realized I had lots of Liz Earl products. They are amazing, and this is their super skin moisturizer. This one is very rich, and I only use it at night time because it's super rich, and I love to use it alongside this tretinoin, just because, like I said, your tretinoin can be very dry, and so this one is very rich, you know. So you want to, when you're using your retinols and all that, you want to pair it with a very hydrating moisturizer, but be sure that the moisturizer is non-comedogenic. In other words, it means that be sure that the moisturizer does not block the pores and is not acne causing. Basically, non-comedogenic means that it does not clog the pores, does not cause acne and all that. So non-comedogenic moisturizers would specifically state it. So if you're confused, you know, look out there. I know a lot of CeraVe products are non-comedogenic, so, and they're really affordable, because this Liz Earl is slightly pricey, if I to be honest with you guys. So this is what your girl is looking like. And of course, remember that I brought everything down my neck. So guys, the essence of using your retinol or retinoid or tretinoin for hyperpigmentation specifically is because it's going to take off the dead skin cells on top. So it's going to help the new skin to come up, and I mean the new skin will potentially have less pigmentation. Do you understand? So it basically helps to take off the pigmented skin quickly. Do you understand? By accelerating skin cell turnover, and the baby skin underneath that is plump, supple, no pigmentation will eventually get to be pushed up, and it takes the skin about 28 days. So this is strictly for nighttime. And remember why I said this is for 25, I already explained to you guys. So if you haven't, like if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation and you want to get on the journey, start your routine, this is an amazing nighttime routine. You understand? So once again, let me reiterate the steps. You want to cleanse your face and try to use a hydrating cleanser. It's not all about stripping the face. You want your barrier to be strong. Using a toner is absolutely optional. It's not compulsory, but I do like using toners. So if you have a hydrating toner, not an astringent, not anything that is stripping, if you have a hydrating toner, use. If in the absence of a toner, you don't need to use a toner. In fact, if you're new to retinols and tretinoin and all these kind of products, skip the toner part. Just keep it. What you want to do, blot your face, let it dry thoroughly before you proceed to using your retinol or your tretinoin or whatever you have. But then after that, you wait a little while, then moisturize. So you want to use a very hydrating moisturizer and a very rich moisturizer, because these products can be quite stripping and you don't want to go overboard. So you want to take your time. Maybe if you're new to it, start using these products 2 nights a week. See how your skin takes it. If your skin isn't like excessively dried out, or like it doesn't hurt, because sometimes the skin can just be overwhelmed with it. You want to space it out, and then ensure. See, I'm holding my ears. Ensure you use your SPF in the daytime. It is compulsory. You must use your sunscreen SPF minimum of 30, broad spectrum as well. If you have SPF 50, fine, but make sure you wear your sunscreen. No negotiations. If you don't wear your sunscreen, it's going to worsen your hyperpigmentation. Take it from me. I've been there before. When I used to, like before I became an esthetician, I didn't understand the science behind it. I used to use all these products without an SPF, and I saw the repercussions. So you do not want to be like me. Listen to me. Make sure in the daytime you use your sunscreen. It's compulsory. I don't want to really go into daytime hyperpigmentation skincare routine, because that will be for a totally different video. I don't even know how long this video will be already. So this is basically it. Very simple. Cleanse your face. Use your retinols. You can get the over-the-counter ones, and then you moisturize your skin. And in the daytime, use your SPF. And be sure to be consistent. You cannot use it 1 week and expect to see results. This will take you months and months for you to see results. You have to be patient and very consistent. I have to end this video here, guys, because I feel like it's getting too long. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your concerns. Let me know what kind of videos you like to see on my channel, and I'll be more than happy to make those videos and talk about it and all that. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, yes, please subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.